Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off preview in Netflix, so you will learn how to stop previews from autoplaying. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix app, open it. After that, click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen and click Manage Profiles. And here, click on your profile. And as you can see, the last option is Autoplay Previews. I already turned it off, but if you find it like that, if you find it blue, you have just to click on it, and like that, you will stop previews from autoplaying. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.